what's my look? And I'm making a video of another fidget review. I just made my cube, my 12-sided holy crystal magic depressor cube. I just made that video. Two fidget toy reviews in one weekend is be magic. So this thing is called a infinity cube. Let me just take out the package. Oink. It is be a metal fidget cube, infinity cube, that I bought off of Amazon for $12. It's called an infinity cube. It's metal. That's good. And I don't know what this thing's called, but I bought 4 of these off of Amazon, and they costed $12. So here, let's do a review on this. It's a fidget toy. It has these things. I was just doing some shopping on Amazon. That's why I found these. I just typed in fidget toys, and I found some fidget toys. These. So it has this thing so you can hang up. It also has this thing so you can hang up. It has like a keychain holder thing, and it has this thing. It says it's Chinese. If any of you are watching that are Chinese, do you know what this says? And then comment down below what this says, because I want to know. So now we know it's made from China. And so it's just a fidget toy where you press the bottom of these and little peas come out. They're so cute. And then the middle one, it has a face on it. You know, he's like, hello, goodbye, hello, goodbye, hello, goodbye. So this one, not too much. This one, to be a fidget cube. What you do with it is you make a cube as much as you can. The way of fidgeting with it is just fold it around until you make a cube, and life is good.
And it never ends.
And it never ends unless if you break it.
Because you can constantly be doing it.
Yeah. So this is what I like doing with it. And this is like a good way to do it. Flick these two down. Turn it upright. Do this. Do this. Unfold. This. This. And then you have it like this. You twist it. Fold like this. Do you know what? The reason why I'm twisting it, like moving it around with my hands, is because watch. If I just keep it stable like this, it gets like bent in a weird way. I'm gonna have to bend it in a weird way, what you can't. So I do this. Or you could also do it like this, where you unfold it like this and stack it up like that. Stack it. I bought my uncle one for his birthday. But it was in one from Amazon. You could buy them at Dollarama. So if you want to buy one, just buy it from Dollarama. This one I did buy from Amazon for $12. So guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I'm sure like, subscribe, also comment below if you want to see more fidget reviews. Probably because I always get new fidget toys. Bye! Wait. Bye!